Welcome to the Doug and Nikki channel. We have a really cool video for you today. I am going to share with you an unseen GoPro camera that you're not going to find anywhere else here on YouTube. What made me think to share that with you at this point? We just got the new GoPro 9, which was kind of cool for me because I was like, 10. I've had 10 different versions of GoPros, which, as you might imagine, that math kind of doesn't work out. If there were 9 different versions of GoPros, how does Doug have 10? Well, if we rewind the time clock back to 2006, I was racing cars professionally in Formula cars, Formula 2000 cars, and doing reasonably well. So I would regularly have a Speed Vision camera in my car, if you remember Speed Vision or ESPN. And so somebody contacted me and they said, hey, there's a new camera coming out and we want to do some development. Would you put it on your car and use it? And I'm like, sure, let's put it on the car and use it. So I got 2 of these. GoPro Digital 5 is what it was technically called. This was in May, June, the summer of 2006, December of 2006 is when this went on the market. And let me tell you a little bit about how rudimentary this is. First off, let's start with the basic concept. AA batteries. Actually, these are the original AA batteries that I never put in it. Use AA batteries. The memory card, I was going to do some video for you now. I'll include a clip from my race car. It's still a pretty cool video. But I was going to do some video for you just to kind of compare the two, but it'll only go up to like it won't take anything beyond like a 1 or 2 megabyte SD card, which I don't have anywhere, so I couldn't get it to work. So we'll have to deal with the old video from the race car. But it is not even SD. It is below that. It's like 512 by 316 or something like that. Anyway, a very not good format by today's standards, but in 2006 it was like the cat's meow. Nobody else had anything like this. And it was so cool because, you know, I would be going to the track and trying different things and taping it to the wings and my roll bars and that kind of, but I would get envelopes like this envelope, hand addressed from Nick Woodman himself in California, with all kinds of cool toys. Like this. Does this look familiar to you? Looks like a prototype version of the mounts that we use today. I don't know what they made this out of, actually. If this was not 15 years ago, I would say this was printed on a 3D printer. I don't know how he had it manufactured. But any case, I was very lucky. I was thrilled to do this stuff, and it was an honor and so cool. And so that brings us to today, where here is my 10th version of the GoPro. I'm going to show you a quick history of my versions of GoPros and what ones we had, what ones survived. These are the survivors. Some of them died on race cars, some of them drowned, one flew away on a drone, and one got stolen. But so I'll give you a quick iteration of all the ones that we've owned up to this GoPro 9. Then we'll do an unboxing of this GoPro 9. I haven't gotten it out to use it yet and really test it, so I'll include a couple little clips in this video that were shot on that. Just real quick 2-second stuff I did, and as we go forward in our videos, we'll include lots of footage and we'll let you know how the GoPro 9 is working out.
Alright, here we go with the GoPro fashion show. There is the Digital 5, the first prototype version. Here is the GoPro Hero 1, which didn't survive racing. Followed by the Hero 2, which also died at Watkins Glen, actually, that one. Then we moved to the Hero 3 Plus, which flew away on one of my cheap drones. The 4 survives today because NIKI protects that very seriously. Then we moved to the 5. We have 2 of these still, which we use for all kinds of stuff to this day. The 6 we had, that one went swimming off the boat, never to come back again. And then we bailed. We went to the DJI Osmo, which was a great camera. We still use it today. NIKI surprised me with an 8 black. I loved. And it got stolen in India. Jeez, that was annoying. But here's the new 9. 10 generations.
All right, you've seen my 9 generations of GoPros leading up to this 10th generation of GoPro that I have personally owned. A little bizarre and crazy, but let's unbox it and see what we got. All right, what do I got here? I bought the kit, the expansion kit, which comes with packing, the Hero 9 itself, and the dual battery charger. I mean, dual battery charger is going to be quick and easy. We know what that's going to be. But let's check out the camera and what it comes with. Compared to, I showed you earlier what the GoPro Hero 0 or Hero 5 it was called at the time came with. Let's see what the Hero 9 comes with. Although I will say I did not get this via personal envelope or mail from Nick Woodman. I guess he doesn't love me as much now. Alright. Comes with this nice case, which is really cool. Oh, it's got a floaty grip. I didn't even know that. I think I have like 7 of these, but I'll have an 8th. Alright, so it comes with this really nice carrying case, which is great for traveling. Let's see what we have in here. We have the new clip mount. That's a nice thing to have. We have the 2 new size batteries, so we can throw out another size of battery again. The conventional mounts, both the high one and the regular one. Put them over there. 1 stick-on mount. A couple of screws to fasten it on. The obligatory wire. I have at least 10 of those. A 32 gig card comes with it, which is nice to have that. You know, if you're going to give it as a gift to somebody, they can plug it in and play with it instantly. Here is the bad boy, which shoots 5K, 30 frames per second now. This isn't going to last very long. So, the camera is really cool. It's a nice size, physically bigger than the last generation, but not like absurdly big. It's still a very convenient size. It's huge for us that it has this front screen. You know, we do a lot of vlogging on the channel as we travel and that kind of stuff. And honestly, as much as I loved the quality of the image and the way my Hero 8 worked, it was a lot of times we picked up the DJI Osmo because for framing an image and doing vlogging, it was so much easier with our, with the picture in the front. So now you have that here. There are 20 megapixel stills that it'll take. A whole bunch of other cool new options. Watch for our future videos. We'll do more tests of them and include it as we go forward. I haven't had a chance to go out and really field test it. If you found the video informative and helpful and interesting, 10 generations of cameras, throw us the like. Subscribe to the channel. You can see lots of new vlogs shot on that camera while we put up some additional links for you for other videos in case you're interested. You can watch some more GoPro Hero Prototype 0, maybe 5 if you want to call it that way. Anyway, it was pre-production, so check that out.